This is how you change the air filter on a 2020 Dodge Challenger. So pop the hood and come over here to the passenger side of the car. And then there's two clips right here, these little retaining clips. So you just push down and pull back, put that cover out of the way. And the filter's right here, so there's a cover over it. So you just wanna pull this cover off, pull it up, this black piece. And then you can just pull the filter out. It's kind of tight, so you will have to kind of jam your fingers in there. And see this arrow right there, it's pointing upwards. Just remember you want to install the new filter with the arrow going upwards as well. These filters should be changed every 20,000 miles. This car has 28,000 miles on it. Ugh, that's filthy. Gross. Look at all that gunk and dust. Ugh. And I'm going to be installing a K&N Lifetime cabin air filter. Lifetime meaning it will last a lifetime as long as you clean it. So you see on the box right here, it says up to 25,000 miles between cleanings. So you need to clean this air filter in order for it to work properly. This is what it looks like. So I just put the cover up like that to make it easier to fit inside. Now when you put this in, you want to make sure that you have it in the cabin filter holder. So it might take some squeezing to get in there because this is a little tight. But once it's in there, you'll know. Okay, and it's nice and secure. Now I can close this, snap this down. Shine a light so you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's snapped in all the way. And now the cowl can be put back on. It should just snap in like that. K&N also gives you this sticker as a reminder that you have a reusable air filter